Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody. Today I will show how to use the helix with cut extrude. Before we have made already spring, so in the previous video you have watched it. Now today I will show how to extrude it. Then at first I am going to sweep, then sketch and edit it. Then here I am drawing a rectangle inside the circle. Then go to the trim and select that one. Then trim in this side, this one, then done and close this. Then done it. Then I am going to extrude. So I am taking again right plane. Geometry is 0. Okay, I am taking it 0. Then done it. Then I am going to select the line and select and draw here to here. Then close it. Then go to the features and extrude card. Then select this one. Their arrow sign is indicated here. Now I am click here flip side to card, then okay, then done. The drawing also completed. Thank you everybody.